This is an example for the kids, how to add 3-digit numbers with expanded form. So they first look at 346 and break it apart or decompose it into expanded form. So it'd be 300 plus 40 plus 6. Then they come down to 216, 200 plus 10 plus 6. Now it doesn't matter if they start in the hundreds column or the ones column when they're doing expanded form. So 300 plus 200 is 500, plus 40 plus 10 is 50, plus 6 plus 6 is 12. Then once they have 500 plus 50 plus 12, I'm going to have them put the equal sign here and their answer, their sum here. All they're going to do is put 500 plus 50 plus 12 back together again for standard form. So they add 500 plus 50 plus 10, 560 plus 2. 562 is their answer. So this is one strategy they can use. They're allowed to do addition with expanded form, number line, and picture form.